He started his career with a run out, but eventually ended up teaching us his magnificent helicopter shot. Calmness and coolness became his identity, an ordinary boy from Ranchi who put Jharkhand back to our country's map with pride. He finished his career the way he started it, but in this journey he gave us more than we asked for. Dhoni finishes off in style and lifts the World Cup after 28 years will always be a music to our ears. Thank you for making us witness the magical moment. You may retire from the international cricket, but you can never retire from the heart of your million fans. Thank you for making India proud. Thank you for being Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Hello and welcome back to our channel Nushantisha. If you're new here, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel below. So as you have already seen the introduction video, I think you have an idea what this video is going to be about. Yes, it's a tribute to Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the man who I idolize, the man who I look up to, the man who has given India so many reasons to be proud of. I have seen his fans giving him tribute in different kind of ways, be it singing, dancing, painting, sketching, etc. And I thought, how can I not give him a tribute? As this man has impacted my life in so many ways, has taught me so many things in spite of the fact that I have never met him. So I thought of taking this YouTube channel as an opportunity to pay my tribute to him. And as all his fans might be aware of this fact, but who don't, here is the proof that butter chicken is his favorite food. So I thought, why not I make butter chicken as my tribute to him. So not taking any further of your time, let's jump onto the video directly. So first thing first, we'll take chicken, onion, tomatoes, ground spices. Then we require Kashmiri lal mirch, coriander powder, cashew, ginger, chilies, ginger garlic, butter and hung curd. So for the first marination, we'll take the chicken, add some lemon juice, some salt and mix it well and keep it aside for 15 minutes. For the second marination, we'll take a bowl, we'll add some mustard oil, we'll add Kashmiri lal mirch, this is for the color because we are not going to add any food color. Now we'll mix it well and then add the rest of the ingredients, which are lemon juice, hung curd, some salt and finally some ginger garlic paste, and we'll mix it well and keep it aside. Till then we'll chop our vegetables, that are onions and tomatoes. We are going to roughly chop it because we are going to blend it anyway. We will take generous amount of tomatoes and onions because that is going to be our base. After 15 minutes, we'll take the chicken, squeeze all the extra water from the chicken, pour it in the mixture, mix it well and keep it aside for 15-20 minutes. Till then, we'll take a pan, add some water, add onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic, cashew, all the ground spices, bay leaf, peppercorn, cloves, badi ilaichi, choti ilaichi, and then we'll mix it well. We'll mix it for another 15-20 minutes till all the ingredients inside it becomes mushy. Till the vegetable is cooking, we'll tandoor or grill the tikkas. We'll cook it from both the sides, don't worry it's not burnt. After 20 minutes, we'll take the vegetables out, blend it and then strain all the pastes because butter chicken is all about its smoothness and its texture. So this is the residue, we'll throw this away. So finally we'll take a pan, add some butter, grated ginger, chilies, all the spices that are red chili powder, coriander powder and Kashmiri lal mirch powder, and mix it well for another 10-20 seconds. Then finally we'll add the paste into it and cook it for another 5 minutes. Then we'll add fresh cream. Then we'll add some salt. It's always controversial whether butter chicken is spicy or sweet, but I am the one who eats spicy butter chicken, so people who like sweet, do not judge me. So yeah, that's why I added just a little bit of sugar. Now we'll add the chicken and mix it well and let it cook for another 5 minutes till all the gravy blends into the pieces. Finally, we are going to add kasuri methi and our butter chicken is done. We'll do the plating and decorate it with some fresh cream and some roasted kasuri methi. So here was a small tribute from my side to my idol, the man whose values and principles I literally ship. Saying thank you would never be enough for that man, because whatever he has done for our country and whatever he has taught, or rather I have learned from him, is not worth saying just a thank you. I promised myself I'm not going to get emotional while making this video because I knew this would happen. So okay, I know this video might never be seen by him, but I don't know, if God becomes very graceful to me and this ever comes your way, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for whatever you have done for our country. Thank you for entertaining us for more than a decade now. Thank you for teaching sportsman spirit. Thank you for bringing this gentleman game back to India, and thank you for so many things. If I start listing, this video might never end. And thank you at last for being Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So this was it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. MSDN, you've got to like this. And stay tuned for more such fun videos. Till then, this is Anushka Siddharth signing off. Bye bye.